Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 33 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. The question 33A says the mean of the following distribution is 53. Find the missing frequency P. The class intervals and their respective frequencies are given. For the class interval 40 to 60, the frequency given is P. So we have to find this P and hence find the mode of the distribution. Let's take down the class intervals and the frequencies given. For the class interval given, let's get the mid values or class mark. The formula to get the class mark is lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. So the class mark column becomes 0 plus 20 upon 2, which is 10, 20 plus 40 upon 2, which is 30, 40 plus 60 upon 2, which is 50, 60 plus 80 upon 2, which is 70, and 80 plus 100 upon 2, which is 90. Next, we have to get the product of Fi and Xi. 12 into 10 is 120. Next one is 450, 50p. 28 times 70 is 1960. 13 times 90 is 1170. Sigma Fi is 68 plus p. Sigma Fi Xi is 3700 plus 50p. The mean given in the question is 53. Mean is nothing but sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, which is 53. Sigma Fi Xi is 3700 plus 50p upon 68 plus p is equal to 53. 3700 plus 50p is equal to 53 times 68 plus p, that is 3700 plus 50p is equal to 53p plus 3604, which is minus 3p is equal to minus 96. So p becomes 32. So the missing value is 32. Next we have to find the mode for the given distribution. The formula to find mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 times H. So first we have to get the model class. For that, let's look into the frequency column. The highest frequency is 32. So the class corresponding to the highest frequency is 40 to 60. L becomes 40. L is the lower limit of the model class. F1 is the frequency of the model class, which is 32. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, which is 15. And F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, which is 28. H is a class size 20. Substituting all these values, mode is equal to 40 plus 32 minus 15 upon 2 times 32 minus 15 minus 28 times 20, which is 40 plus 17 upon 21 times 20, which gives us 40 plus 16.2, which is 56.2. So this is the mode of the given distribution. The part B says compute median of the following data. Here mid values are given, the class intervals are not given, and their respective frequencies are given. So with the mid value, we have to find out the class intervals. H is 125 minus 115, which is 10. For 115, we have to get the lower limit and the upper limit, which is 115 minus 10 by 2 and 115 plus 10 by 2. 15 minus 10 by 2 is 115 minus 5, which is 110, and the upper limit is 115 plus 5, which is 120. The class intervals are 110 to 120. For 125, it is 120 to 130. For 135, it is 130 to 140. For 145, it is 140 to 150. For 155, it is 150 to 160. For 165, it is 160 to 170. For 175, it is 170 to 180. And the frequencies given are 12, 15, 20, 16, 10, again 16, and 11. The cumulative frequencies are 12, 27, 47, 63, 73, 89, and 100. The formula to find the median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F times H. N is nothing but sigma Fi, which is 100, and n upon 2 is 100 upon 2, that is 50. Let's locate this 50 in the Cf column. It occurs between 47 and 63. So let us take the next higher class, that is 140 to 150. So this class interval is the median class. L is the lower limit of this class, which is 140. N upon 2 is 50, which we have calculated already. F is the frequency of the median class, which is 16. And CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, which is 47. H is 10. Substituting all these values, median is equal to 140 plus 50 minus 47 upon frequency is 16 times 10, which is 140 plus 3 upon 16 into 10, which gives us 140 plus 1.875, that is 141.875. So this is the median of the given data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.